Well, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at IQstel's channel, a rapidly growing multinational technology corporation revolutionizing global digital connectivity. Trading on the NASDAQ under IQST, we are privileged to be joined and discuss with Alvaro, the CFO, and Leonardo, the CEO, to kind of take us through not only earnings expectations, but so much more. First and foremost, welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you very much, Kyle, for this opportunity. Thank you.
Yeah, such a pleasure to get
Thank
both.
you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
So I'll let you guys decide who wants to take the first question. For newer audiences, maybe give us a brief introduction to the company and exactly what you guys are doing there.
Well, thank you very much for this opportunity. We are US-based company traded in NASDAQ. We started this journey 8 years ago, and in 2018 we reported like $30 million revenue. Nowadays we have like a $400 million revenue run rate. So 80% of our revenue is telecommunication. That is our DNA. But nowadays, 20% of our revenue comes for technology and fintech services. So we want to be identified as a global connectivity, AI, and digital services. And that's the company that we have building over the last years. Basically, we built a very solid business platform with the largest telecommunications carriers around the world. And with that platform of business, right now we are selling high tech, high margin sectors. So that's basically our company is.
Yeah, and I appreciate the insight. Do you want to talk a little bit about some of those sectors you're currently looking to expand into? I know there's cybersecurity. You've noted quite a few here, but maybe just talk about where your core focus is going.
As I said, we started in telecommunications as our DNA. And process of evolution, we moved into the fintech arena, and we have been working on AI over the last 2 years, generating proprietary solutions. And nowadays, we enter in a partnership with another NASDAQ company, Securium. We exchanged like $1 million in shares with that company and becoming a sibling company. And we are adding cybersecurity services in our portfolio of products. So basically, nowadays, we are one of the more complete we have more one of the more complete portfolio in the wholesale carrier services around the world. So we are happy with that. When a company around the world, a telecommunication company around the world needs, a company that offering not only telecommunication services, that be able to offer to fintech services, AI services, and cybersecurity services, we are going to set as the first option to contact us, and this giving us a very strong position. And we having the stamp of being an NASDAQ company is fantastic for us. I'm pretty sure that Alvaro could add something there.
We are taking advantage of our very solid customer base. We do businesses with the most biggest carriers around the world. We have presence in 21 countries and have more than 600 active interconnections agreement with all carriers all around the world. And basically, we are bringing them portfolio with cybersecurity services and AI services. So, and those services are with higher margins. So this is bringing more revenues and profits to the company.
Yeah, appreciate the insight. And to your point there, Alvaro, I wouldn't mind talking about kind of the guidance. I mean, you're guiding for 1 billion in revenue and 15 million in EBITDA by 2026. What should investors focus on with IQstel kind of heading into 2026?
Yeah, basically, if I were a potential investor of IQstel, I would say that potential investors should focus on three important things. The first thing is that we have an amazing explosive revenue growth. That is really important for us. We came from 13 million and we are right now in $400 million revenue run rate. That is amazing. The second thing that a potential investor has to look at is the profitability trend that we have. Quarter after quarter, we are increasing the EBITDA and net income of our operating business. So that's fantastic. And the third thing that I think is important in this case is the execution. That we have a proven track record delivering and meeting or surpassing our goals, our promises. So every single year we set, the revenues, the goals of EBITDA and everything, and every single year we have at least meet or surpass. So I think that's the three key points for a new investor has to focus on us.
Oh, basically is that we has been delivering everything we has put on the table year after year in terms of revenue, EBITDA. We have also strengthened our balance sheet. So basically that the fundamentals of the company are very strong.
Absolutely. I appreciate the insight here as we pass it off to the viewers as always. We'd love to know what you think in that comment section and consider subscribing as news and catalysts come down the wire like this. We're going to bring it to you here. But on that, we look forward to catching you in the next one.